Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing text effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already created a new project. We just need to add a same image. I already did it twice, good, no problem. But I don't need a second one. I just need this like here. No, it's too big. Yeah, okay, now this. I need to duplicate positioning and removing the background. And now we need to go to the app section and searching for the application called type lettering. This one. And as you can see, already some predefined templates. We also can looking for searching for templates, but now I need this. I just need to change the text to tennis. Here we can change the font type. Now we choose this one now. Here we can change the background color, but actually this one doesn't have any effect. This is just a visual part of this small square, not square, big square. So this is only this visual part, the background of this, to check the text, how is it looks with different colors. So they're just changing to white. And of course we can change the alignment to left, center, and right. But for this small text or one word, this doesn't make any sense. Same as the line height, we can change it, but this is also makes sense only when we have more than one line. So I just need to add to design, and I just need to increase the size as I want, like this, and go into the position layers and moving between the two images and just crop the image like this. So you can move it behind, but this doesn't make any sense now, but I can move it from the behind of the other leg. Like this, and just be moving to the right a bit with cursor buttons, and now it's already have the effect what I would like to teach to today. So with this small application, we have this fantastic text effect, plus with this other small tick to duplicate the image and removing the background on the front one, and just place the text between the two image layers. We can have this pretty amazing effect also. So this is what I would like to show on this video, on this tutorial. So this video is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my Canva tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or you just have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in the Facebook page, and of course in the Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short forms of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.